I can't do another Dairy Queen, dude.
No, man, no. The Dairy Queen days are over. We're in a new era.
Anything to do.
No, Dairy Queen is no more. The Dairy Queen Saga will not continue.
The Dairy Queen days are over. The Dairy Queen Saga will not continue. The Dairy Queen Saga will not continue. The Dairy Queen Saga will not continue.
You are watching the Tim Kreitz Adventures channel. Welcome.
Our story begins in the remote desert on a windy West Texas day. Thanks to a wrong turn, Britt and I have been lost for the past 15 or 20 minutes. At last, we make our way back onto a familiar road and find ourselves at Imperial Sandhills, where we have not been in 4 years.
Well, it sucks getting lost, but it's really nice that moment you realize where you are.
Yeah.
And we haven't been out here in forever. Imperial Sandhills, man, it's been, what, 4 years since we've been out here? Something like that?
Yeah.
3 or 4 years.
It's been at least.
Look how the shapes of the dunes have changed. Everything has changed. Still just as harsh as it ever was, though. The desert, boy. We better get somewhere where fuel is available, or I'm going to be in trouble.
Monahan's is going to be our closest bet.
All right, well, let's go to Monahan's and fuel these ponies up.
And it was there, in the far-off land of Monahan's, home of dirt and oil wells and more dirt and strange people staring at me from a distance, that I made a suggestion to Britt that little did I know would reshape our destiny.
Hey, I'm wanting something to drink. I know you're probably extremely thirsty too.
Yep.
I just don't really want to hang out here.
I don't either.
Let's find a restaurant or something. See that Dairy Queen?
What the hell did you just say?
See that Dairy Queen? Yeah, Dairy Queen's fine.
Say what?
Yeah, Dairy Queen's fine. You can have this. Can be part of the Dairy Queen Saga. The Dairy Queen Saga continues. Man, we're hypocrites. How many times have we said over the past few years there will be no more Dairy Queen? And here we are.
Dude, this is Texas.
This
You
is.
were going to run into a Dairy Queen on every street corner.
We're gonna have to, at least every year or two, we're gonna have to make a stop at Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
I have resigned myself to reality on this one.
Okay, you told me number 2, you told me 2.
And then the last one said a number 1. He's eating the double though, because he just brought me the number 1.
Yeah, he's missing his double.
Which is the other one?
No, that's a single.
It's a single?
Yeah. So you gave us 2 singles. This is a double, but I need pickles.
Oh, you want pickles in that one? I thought it said no pickles. Okay.
His is no pickles.
Oh, his is no pickles. Okay, so how's yours?
Just cheese and mayonnaise.
Just cheese and mayonnaise. Okay.
I'm glad we're only getting a couple of drinks.
in that state park since I was probably 11 years old.
Well, we don't have to go all the way in the
No,
state
we can
park.
just
We
pull
go
in.
into the little entrance area where they have all the plants and all that stuff.
Yeah.
We can do that. Do that on the way back and then just make the long ride home because, yeah, it is getting late. This day got away from us.
Got lost.
Yeah, getting lost.
Got us lost.
Yeah. Well, I bear part of the responsibility because I had this feeling when we went past the intersection where we were supposed to turn. I was like, I think that's where we're supposed to turn, but I didn't flag you down or anything.
I was, like I said, I was under the impression we were on a different road. I was under the impression we were on that Fort Stockton Highway, which when you pass it and you look, it's sandhills.
Yeah.
And we were on the Pinwheel. I forgot we still had to go down one.
Yeah,
more.
we
I
were.
looked and it was all bushes. I was like, that can't be it.
Yeah, and that was it. We were just 10 miles further west than we thought we were.
Right.
Well, the important thing is we're not lost anymore. So,
We found Mudville.
yeah, well, let's make a quick stop out there at Sandhills Park, and then we'll make the ride home.
Okay.
Okay. All right, guys, thanks for riding along. As always, we're going to call it an episode. We've got to get on that interstate and endure the 50-mile ride home and all that traffic. So we'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. Bye.